Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerTrading.com, and in tonight's free video, this is a good time to follow up from the ideas that I was sharing with you on Friday afternoon. So in that video newsletter, I had commented on how I thought Etsy had so much potential, and then we come into today to find out that Etsy is going to buy out music gear marketplace Reverb to expand its reach. Now, a lot of times, acquisitions of other companies can be, can give the stock a little bit of a pullback, but in this case, it was interpreted as, something that the market didn't necessarily see coming, and overall a good thing for them, and the stock ended the day up 4%. Now, it's good to recap on these because, this is the way it works, is you kind of share an idea, and those that start doing what you expect to do really lay into those. And then when you pick something and it doesn't work out quite right, ideally you're losing the minimum, and then you can maximize these other opportunities. So with that being said, I just wanted to show you something that kept me in this trade right here. Because on this day where you closed below the 50-day, granted you don't have the stacking of the moving averages, but if you thought that the close below the 50-day was not good, the most helpful thing that I can look to are the weekly charts. And just coming with a little bit more of a swing-based perspective and trying to really perfect the idea of holding on loosely, I think this is where you look at, okay, the big picture move is a pattern of higher highs and higher lows, and generally that's the way I want to err in favor of the daily chart. And then you look at where that close came in off of here, and you are well above the 10 period, which is showing us that there's still good momentum here. So those were just a couple of things that kept me in the trade last week. You've got some news driving the move now, and I think that this looks excellent for moves up into 77.80, and then the extensions after that as we get into it. CRM, I haven't established a position yet, but if you didn't get to see that video, this is the other that I'm really focused on, trying to pick up some bigger swing-based positions and be bullish. And then I wanted to bring you two new ones kind of quickly. So one of them is Zendesk. This is something that any pullback into, let's just call it 90 for round numbers, I think would be a gift to come in and buy some of that for, something like you would consider holding 6 months. There again, as long as it cooperates and follows the basic idea, then stick with it. You look for 100, and then there will be some higher extensions after that. And then the final setup in Roku. So Roku's really had some momentum going here lately. And of course, timing that momentum is what it's all about. The close above the 80 EMA I consider to be beneficial off of the daily chart, and then you have a fresh squeeze off of the 78 minute. So this I think has potential because you're looking for potential optimism into earnings. Then you have the squeeze to back that idea. This might be one other spot to look to be cautiously long as we work to continue to climb this wall of worry. So I hope it's helpful, and we'll see you at the next free video.